If nothing changed, where are you going to be a year from now? 1 year from now, where are you going to be if nothing changes? Do you have something in place that you can excel in so that you can succeed? Or are you in a position where you're going to go from one step to the next, or hopefully you're going to go from one little raise to the next, and you don't have anything that you can excel in? Whenever I walked away from my teaching career, I knew that I was up on the step ladder. But one of the things that I knew that I was never going to get my time back. I was always going to have to be in a position to where if they could find a sub, great. If they couldn't, I was stuck and I couldn't go do what I wanted to do. So get in a situation where you can understand how you can get your time back, but more importantly, how you can get control of your life. Comment details below. I'm going to get you over the same details that took me out of the 8 to 16-hour day, that brought me into a position to where I have my time freedom back, but more importantly, I get to choose how I can build my own business. Like, I have multiple streams of income now. I don't just have one. I don't have to report to a boss anymore because I am my own boss. I can do what I need to do and get my income producing activities done and know that everything's okay. And then I have income coming in because I help other people learn how to work remotely the same way. Friends, this is a life that you can only dream for, and you're missing it because you're not getting the details. Look what's going on in the world right now. In the 80s, the computers came out, and people were like shying away from them because they didn't want to know what all that is. And now you're looking at me on a mini one. But right now, the world is expanding so much with all the data centers around because it is in the need for what's happening in the online space. The world is going digital, and you need to learn how to go digital with it. Because think about this, is it easier to go to the store, or is it easier to go online and buy something and have it delivered to you? Same thing. Are you ready to get into a digital business to where you can make extra money just like all these corporate people are that have these businesses? Because they learned that a brick and mortar store is not the only thing. They learned that they could go online and that they could get more income by being digital. So comment details below. I'm going to get you over all the details you need to know to understand how to succeed in the digital online world with your own business. Have a blessed day.